Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so the Super Bowl is upon us. The Super Bowl is upon us.
And the Niners aren't in it.
And the Niners are not in it. But I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos on smoked sausage balls, babe.
Woo!
And we gotta try them. Bisquick, pork sausage. Babe's gonna judge it up a little bit. But smoked sausage balls outside on the world's smallest patio on the pit barrel cooker using Jealous Devil charcoal. I think it's gonna be amazing.
I think they're going to be really good. I think our little addition and our spices we used
I think it's going to be really, really good. Okay, so follow along. Super simple video recipe. And Babe will take you into the ingredients. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
And here we go. All right, gloved up, babe. Are you ready to talk about the ingredients?
I am. I have gloves that fit me.
Yes.
Okay, our ingredients are going to be 1 3/4 cup of Bisquick. We are using Postal Original Rub.
What up, Jabin? Jabin's Original Rub is really good. And
smoked bacon bourbon rub. We haven't played with these in a while.
Yeah.
We have
a pound of shredded
cheddar.
You did that yourself.
Yes, I did.
You also hacked up a jalapeno.
Yes, I did. We have some TD's Brew original barbecue sauce.
His sauces my favorite. Are amazing.
So good. We're going to use a little bit of Blue Moon.
I'll drink the rest of it.
I'm sure you will. And then the Jimmy Dean all-natural regular sausage.
Yep, there we go. Pretty simple ingredients, babe.
Pretty simple, but very delicious. Then here we go. So 1 3/4 cup of Bisquick. I'm using a pound of shredded cheddar. We'll just scrape all this in.
Are you going to do the whole jalapeno, babe?
Oh, yeah.
You're doing one whole jalapeno.
One whole peno.
Did you de-seed it?
I did, yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so in here is 1/4 cup of beer and 1/4 cup of the barbecue sauce. I'm going to put that in last just because I don't want it to get the cheese too wet. But I thought mixing it up would be fun. Our sausage. Ooh, yeah. And then, babe, do you want to do the honors of the...
Yep, I'll shake in. Jabin. Jabin's up first. Tell me when you think to stop, babe.
That's probably good.
Okay. Next, little one that Cooking with Rye turned us on to, actually.
Probably good.
Okay.
And then we'll put in our beer and barbecue sauce mix. That was probably a genius idea that I just did.
Was it? I've been watching so many of these recipes, babe, on YouTube, and let me tell you, a lot of people have made this, and everybody makes it their own little, like, flair to it.
Yeah, I bet somebody came up with it, and then everybody goes and, like, tries to add a little extra.
Right. You're really going to town on that, babe.
And I got to get that Bisquick mixed in. Probably should have used my KitchenAid mixer for this.
Probably.
All right. I think we've got it. I'll make some big balls for you and some baby balls for me.
Well, no, they all have to be the same size, babe.
Oh,
because then they cook, similar temperatures.
True.
Because they're going on the pit barrel. And then once we put the balls on the pit barrel, we're going to try and get them up to about 155 or 160, I think is a good temperature. And then we'll pull them off. So.
These are going to be some good balls.
Yeah, babe.
Pretty excited.
Perfect Super Bowl.
Yeah.
All right, babe. Well, you continue to roll balls. I'm going to go outside and set up the pit barrel.
Yeah. I'll just be in here playing with balls.
All right, babe. See you in a minute. So like we said earlier, we're going to be outside here on the world's smallest patio today. We're going to be using our favorite cooker, our favorite company, the Pit Barrel Cooker. We love them. So we're going to be using, of course, the best charcoal on earth, Jealous Devil Lump Charcoal. Now, as you can see, I have my bag of Jealous Devil here. I have the basket that's going to go into the bottom of the pit barrel, and then I have a half chimney. So I fill the basket up as per the pit barrel instructions on their website. I fill the basket up. I take out what I need to light the half chimney. I light the half chimney for about 13 minutes or so, dump it back in with some chunks of apple wood, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so now that I got my half chimney full, I'm gonna go ahead and use a fire cup. I'm gonna light the fire cup, and then I'm gonna set the fire cup on the grate of the pit barrel, and then set my half chimney on top of it. We're gonna get this thing rolling smoke. Our pit barrel always runs at approximately 275 degrees-ish, based on their lighting instructions and following what they tell you to do. We love it. Set it and forget it. It's gonna be amazing. All right, we'll bring you on back when we're back to put the meatballs on. Babe, you finished the balls.
Balls are done.
Balls are done.
Balls are going on. Smoke is in my eyes.
That's Jealous Devil and Applewood.
Yummy.
So we're gonna let these roll. I'm thinking that it's probably gonna take like 30 minutes or so, babe.
Yeah.
I don't really know, but I want them to be like 155 or 160 internal. So we'll see, because the pit barrel runs at approximately 275 degrees once you get the lid on and the rods in and everything like that. So we'll put it on and we'll check back in a little while. Okay, babe, it's been 30 minutes.
Wow.
Oh, those look so freaking good.
They really expanded.
Wow. Your balls got bigger?
Way bigger.
Wow. Okay, babe, let's check some temps. We're looking for like 155, 160, I think, at the dead center of the ball.
165.
Oh, they're done. 30 minutes and they're done.
170.
Oh, perfect. So they're done.
168. Yeah, they look like they're going to, or they feel like they're going to be very tender.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely done.
Okay, let's go get our in-grain cutting board and pull them off.
Yeah, that was quick.
Super quick. 30 minutes, easy snack. I've also seen this recipe go for 10 minutes at 400 degrees, but we wanted to get some smoke on it, so wow.
And they're so tender.
Looks amazing, babe.
All the cheese.
Oh, babe, those look so good. I cannot wait to try them. Super Bowl snacks.
Okay, so we also want to say thank you to our top tier channel members. You guys are amazing, and we love you and appreciate you and all of our channel members.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're the reason that we are able to do this. So
Oh, yeah.
thank you guys so much.
I got my fork.
Are you ready to dig in?
Oh, I'm ready. I'm so pumped. So they feel very tender and kind of bready.
Yeah.
Kind of bready. Can you see? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
I think that's
I
from
can't
the
figure out what
biscuit.
it reminds me of. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? A Red Lobster
Biscuit.
biscuit.
Kind
That's kind of the texture of it.
Yeah, like a Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit.
Yes.
So we're going to take this and we're going to dip it in some of TD's original barbecue sauce, because TD makes a rockin' product. And it's just so
Same one
good.
that we put in here.
The same one that was in the mix that Babe used.
I like it like that.
Oh, right.
Definitely wet.
Yeah, they're
But
moist.
it's not too dry. Moist. I thought
You
it would
don't,
be too dry.
you don't taste sausage. You taste
No.
a little bit of Jabin's rub, a little bit of that bourbon rub. The TD's dipped in it is fantastic. You don't taste any of the jalapeno. And it's like a light, fluffy... This reminds me of a biscuit. Not
It's
a
just
meat,
like the Red
not
Lion.
a meat, not a meat product.
Not Red Lion. Like the Red Lobster.
Yeah.
Cheddar. You know how they're
Yeah.
kind of greasy almost?
It's like a greasy biscuit, but not. It's so good.
I like it.
I'd crush those.
You're about to. You have a lot of them to crush.
Yeah, babe. All right, guys.
Happy Super Bowl.
Happy Super Bowl. May your team win. I'm going for the Rams
I'm
because
going for the Bengals.
you're going for the Bengals because you like the 49ers.
Yeah.
We're in Los Angeles, therefore we will vote for the Rams.
No.
And we love you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Go Rams.
Go Bengals.
See you guys.
Bye.
Oh, we got sausage balls for days, babe. Honestly, this really is a great game day appetizer. Not bad at all.